Owning a truck isn't just about power and performance, reliability and low maintenance costs matter too. No one wants to deal with expensive repairs or constant breakdowns. In this video, we're counting down the top 8 trucks that are tough, dependable, and easy on your wallet. Let's dive in. Number 8. Chevrolet Colorado. GM engineers decided to keep with the Chevy Colorado's well-proven base from the previous generation while revamping it. Numerous components were retained, which guarantees greater parts availability, reduced maintenance variability, and increased dependability. With the most recent model, Chevrolet reduced the number of powertrain options to a single turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Although some people might be wary of a single-engine option, this 2.7-liter turbo unit has shown to be a reliable alternative in the Chevy Silverado. The Colorado successfully blends dependable, tried-and-true engineering with contemporary upgrades. Although other competitors outperform it, J.D. Power gives it a decent dependability score of 82 out of 100. Nonetheless, the Colorado has an advantage because to its reasonably priced components and upkeep. With an average yearly maintenance cost of only $666, according to RepairPal, it may require a few more repairs than some of its rivals, but they are less expensive, making it an affordable mid-size truck to buy. Number 7. Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra's famed reputation for dependability and longevity may be largely attributed to its predecessor's robust V8 engines. Thus, many devoted fans were naturally dubious when Toyota unveiled a hybrid option and a turbocharged V6. Toyota promptly fixed the V6's initial recall problems, and both powertrains have subsequently shown themselves to be reliable and strong. The current Tundra is among the highest-scoring cars on the American market, with an 88 out of 100 rating from J.D. Power if you need evidence. In addition to being uncommon, repairs are also shockingly inexpensive. The average yearly cost of repairs for the Tundra is only $666 per RepairPal. The most recent Tundra is a deserving heir to the vintage V8-powered icons in light of all of this. It also has lower maintenance costs and is more fuel efficient, which solves one of the primary problems with the thirsty V8s of the previous generation. Number 6. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 is America's best-selling truck for good reason. It's not only a leader in performance and capability, but also one of the more reliable and cost-effective pickups to own. Despite most of its engine lineup being turbocharged, these powertrains have been refined over the years, eliminating major issues. The most dependable option is the naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8, while the hybrid model is the one to be cautious about due to known problems with the battery, transmission, and drivetrain, along with some tech-related glitches. Beyond the powertrain, the F-150's chassis and body panels, primarily made of aluminum, help prevent rust over time, adding to its durability. In terms of reliability, J.D. Power gives it a solid 86 out of 100, reinforcing its reputation as a dependable workhorse. What truly keeps ownership costs low is Ford's widespread service network and massive parts availability, which naturally translates to lower repair expenses. According to RepairPal, the F-150's average annual repair cost is just $788, which is even lower than many midsize pickups. However, with countless configurations available, including various powertrains, trims, and packages, it's essential to do thorough research to find the most cost-effective variant for long-term ownership. Number 5. Ford Ranger. When revamping its mid-size truck, Ford followed GM's lead and decided to go with the tried-and-true T6 platform that was imported from Australia. This tactic enabled the Ranger to retain its dependable and well-established technology while incorporating contemporary features. Although there have been some problems and recalls with turbocharged engines in the past, they have subsequently been improved and shown to be reliable. The Ranger is a capable and reasonably priced vehicle to maintain when combined with Ford's wide dealer network, as was the case with the F-150. According to RepairPal, the Ranger's typical yearly repair cost is $615, which is somewhat higher than that of the Chevy Colorado. But the Ranger's higher dependability rating is what makes it unique. The Ranger is predicted to spend less time in the repair shop and be a more reliable long-term option in the mid-size truck market, since J.D. Power gave it an 85 out of 100 rating compared to the Colorado's 82. Number 4. Honda Ridgeline. Because of its unibody design, which it shares with the Honda Pilot, the Honda Ridgeline is among the most distinctive vehicles on our list. It may not be as sturdy as its body-on-frame rivals, but it is incredibly well made and depends on reliable, long-lasting mechanisms that seldom ever break. The Ridgeline's sophisticated 3.5-liter V6 engine, with its straightforward single overhead camshaft architecture, is its central component. Honda, one of the most well-known engine manufacturers, has had plenty of time to develop its engine because it has been in use for almost 30 years. The truck's dependability has been further increased by the major improvements made to Honda's once problematic automatic gearbox gearbox. Given all of these considerations, it is not surprising that J.D. Power gives the Ridgeline a dependability rating of 84 out of 100. Its minimal maintenance cost, however, is even more remarkable. According to RepairPal, the Ridgeline's average yearly repair cost is only $502 because, despite its sophisticated appearance, it is a simple truck with readily accessible and reasonably priced replacement components. Number 3. GMC Canyon. One of the most fashionable and durable midsize pickups on the market is the GMC Canyon. It has a striking appearance, a luxurious cabin, and remarkable power, particularly in the AT4X grade, which is one of the greatest off-road vehicles in its class. Beyond its appearance and functionality, the Canyon's low maintenance costs make it an even better option. It benefits from reasonably priced parts and established dependability because it shares the majority of its components with the Chevy Colorado. J.D. Power gave the Canyon an 83 out of 100 reliability rating, which is somewhat higher than the Colorado's 82. Repair costs are where the Canyon truly shines. The average yearly repair cost, according to RepairPal, is only $548, which is far less than what Colorado costs. This indicates that in addition to being more sophisticated, the Canyon is also the more affordable option in the mid-size truck market. Number 2. Toyota Tacoma. The most recent model of the Toyota Tacoma carries on the company's long-standing reputation for having minimal maintenance expenses. Even though the Tacoma had minor gearbox problems last summer, Toyota fixed them under warranty, keeping maintenance costs low. Its affordability is influenced by a number of variables, beginning with Toyota's renowned dependability. Furthermore, because the Tacoma shares its base with several other Toyota body-on-frame cars, replacement components are easily accessible and reasonably priced. Since the Tacoma is the best-selling mid-size truck in the United States and Toyota has a vast global dealer network, maintenance and repairs are simple and reasonably priced. As expected, J.D. Power rates the Tacoma as the top vehicle in its class with a dependability rating of 88 out of 100, which is equal to that of the Toyota Tundra. With an average yearly maintenance cost of only $478, the Tacoma is less expensive to maintain than many popular passenger vehicles since replacement parts are widely available and reasonably priced due to its common components with other Toyota models. Number 1. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier's ranking above the Toyota Tacoma may surprise some, but it makes perfect sense. Despite a recent facelift, Nissan decided to follow a tried-and-true formula, retaining the truck's base essentially the same as the Frontier, which was first presented 20 years ago. By reducing mechanical complexity, this choice lowers the likelihood of expensive repairs. Despite being relatively new, even its 3.8-liter V6 engine has a simple and robust construction, which adds to its high dependability. It should come as no surprise that the Frontier has an outstanding dependability score of 87 out of 100, only 1 point lower than the Tacoma, given that it has fewer parts that are prone to breakdown. But the Frontier has the advantage since repairs are less expensive. Its average yearly repair cost, as reported by RepairPal, is $470, which is somewhat less than the Tacoma's $478. Even though there isn't much of a change, the Frontier is still the least expensive pickup to maintain, earning it the top place on this list. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.